I decided to build this mulberry vine bench after seeing my neighbor get rid of her trimmings here on Fresno trash out days, where you just throw out your trash in the street and the city picks it up. But I drew a cool design. I decided to braid the branches together. Here you see me doing that with my big head of hair and my butt. And I nailed it together with a bunch of 18 gauge nails. I made the seat out of rebar and an old fence. Just welded on some washers to the bottom of it to that way you wouldn't sink into the ground. And then I got some foam from a upholstery guy. These are his scraps. I just glued them together. And I sewed my own cushion out of this canvas I like to use because it takes ice dye really well. My girlfriend does that. I did this one. I chose those colors. That's side-eye tie-dye. And I made some little side tables. End tables? It's a bench. I don't know. Can I have end tables? Out of reclaimed wood and some plywood. Here it is. You could win it this weekend in a raffle. Fresno. January, what day is it? 17th? 17th I'll do the raffle. Good luck. Bye.